Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Welcome back. We're doing a Principles of Biology low-tech review. When electrons are shared between atoms, what is this called? What kind of bonding is this? When there is a transfer of electrons, we say this instead. If electrons are given away, it is called this. If they are being taken, it is called this. By the way, the reason we say reduced is that whenever electrons are received, then it makes the receiving atom more negatively charged because electrons are negative, and thus reducing the charge, making it more negative. The polar bonding of negative oxygen to positive hydrogen in water. It is an unequal sharing of electrons which are covalently bound. What is this special kind of bonding that holds water together?